Hey guys, good morning. I am back and I'm better than ever. I'm sorry that I didn't make a video last week. I was honestly just a complete mess and I needed to take a step away because I was really stressed with everything that's going on, meaning school and this whole coronavirus situation. My whole schedule pretty much got flipped around and I had no idea what was going on and I had to figure it out. So I really needed to take a step back and just kind of relax for a second and think everything through of what's going on. So now that everything is planned out and I have everything under control, we are back and I'm here making another vlog just for fun. I totally miss you guys and I miss recording. Right now we are currently going through a canyon, so I hope that we can just kind of cruise through it pretty smoothly because I'm vlogging knowing CJ and Brian, they're just probably gonna rip it through the canyons, but CJ is like super low. I had to cut the video real quick because I don't even know where CJ's at. We went through this giant puddle and he had to stop because he was so low. Oh, there he is, he's behind the back. Alright, we're just gonna pull over real quick because CJ keeps, oh my god. Are you having a hard time there, bud? Oh man, I really wish I had a GoPro because we're going through all these puddles and it's so much fun. And oh my god, but CJ keeps stopping. I just wanted to make, oh my god, my phone is sideways. I miss recording and I didn't want to, I think I said this a few videos ago, but when I made the blow off valve, but I didn't want to make a video and be like sad behind it. Like I hate showing a fake smile and I hate being sad in front of the camera. Like knowing that I'm sad inside just kills everything and it kills the whole vibe. So I wanted to record when I was actually happy and actually in a good mood. We're going up to Julian right now and we were originally trying to shoot in the snow, but I also have to concentrate on the road because it's really curvy and CJ keeps stopping because he's really low and I don't want to obviously run into him. So we wanted to shoot in the snow, but unfortunately it kept like snowing and then raining and then snowing and then raining and then it kept like melting. So we're just going up to Julian now just for fun. It's always a must that you have to get pie and they're like, that's what they're mostly famous for, but also it's like a cute little town and we wanted to do a photo shoot, so we're going up there to do that as well. I hope that we go to Palomar Mountain on the way back if there's enough time in the day and if it's not raining too hard, because that's where literally all the snow is and that's the kind of photo shoot that I want. I wanted a lot of snow. I looked at the live webcam and it showed a shit ton of snow and I was like, we gotta go. While this whole coronavirus thing is going on, I know I have a lot of you guys watching from different places. I know I don't just have a San Diego crowd going on here. I have people from literally everywhere and it's kind of weird and insane in a good way. But yeah, it's crazy that I have people watching from different parts of the world. But wherever you guys are out there, I hope that you guys are safe. I hope you guys are healthy. Take care of your families. Take care of your pets. Don't forget about your pets and don't forget about dog food, because don't think about yourself. Just because you're stocking up on food for yourself doesn't mean that your pets are going hungry too. My take on this whole coronavirus thing that's going on, yes, I am 110% aware of what's going on, and yes, I'm like risking myself by going outside. The fact that we're running out of like all this soap and hand sanitizer, like I don't know what people were doing before, but I just kind of accepted it for what it is. Like I'm not entirely super scared of it, but with that being said, I'm just gonna have fun while I can. Yes, I am aware that anybody can get it, even young people. I don't have that kind of mindset where it's like, oh, like young people can't get it because our immune system is a lot stronger. If you guys are doing a self-quarantine, then you guys are with me in spirit outdoors in my passenger seat. I don't have a passenger, but you guys can be my passenger for the day. I just want to make you guys feel happy and put a smile on your face and everything's gonna be okay. It's not the end of the world, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the drive and I will record as much as possible on the way up. The roads are pretty curvy and it's kind of hard to predict sometimes, so I will do the best I can to get some shots. So just enjoy the drive and I will talk to you guys again when we get up to Julian. have the apple pie. We are currently in Palma right now. There was no snow in Julian, so we decided to come here. It was like an extra 40-minute drive. It's currently raining or snowing. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna put on a beanie, and I brought extra socks, thank God, because now my feet are like wet. So yeah, I finally made it. And I told them yesterday to bring a freaking rope in case anyone got stuck because I can pull them out, and look what happened. This is a perfect example, okay? Good example, good example. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, this looks so good. I'm afraid to leave my car on, but look at that. Look at this beauty over here. Look how good this sits. It's like meant to be. I put my beanie on. It's currently kind of raining, but yeah, it's really exciting to be in the snow. I'm super excited to be up here. I'm really excited to be shooting with everybody. Originally, we just planned to go to Julian and that was it, but now we're here with our photographer, Brandon. Brian's over there, CJ's over here.
Car's stuck.
Let's go check out CJ's car. Woo, look at that. Yes. Damn. Look how pretty this is. I'm so happy to be up here. So happy.
Everyone look! It's Robert Loggia!
T as in Tim. Look over there. It's Robert Loggia. Space. L as in look. It's Robert Loggia.
I probably look like a dude. I'm so glad that I'm so glad that we came out here today. It's so much fun. I'm glad the guys are having fun. Right now we're moving over to our other location. I can't describe like how beautiful it is. I'm so blessed to be out here right now, especially with these guys. It's awesome. I tore it up, look at that. I can only tear it up in the snow because I don't know how to do it on regular roads and mud. It's the easiest way for me to do it. I wish I had glasses, but somebody had to steal them, so. Wait, which one had all the snow? Look at that. Their car's over there. Are you guys gonna? Oh wait, no, you can't because you're gonna get stuck.
We forced our way in here. We're backed up.
Whoa, look at that shot.
I didn't know it was gonna be this one.
It's so funny. What are the odds of running in him? Oh! I got that too.
You.
Ah! There's someone that was patrolling the area, stopped us and asked if we had chains. Because I was all-wheel drive, it would have been fine, but I didn't know that we still need to have snow chains. I understand if you're rear-wheel drive. I'm surprised that, like, he gave us kind of like a warning and we could potentially get tickets, but I didn't think it'd be that bad. Oh my God. It almost hit me. Oh,
Human shield!
Dude, you guys have to try that.
It's okay.
It's so much fun. Try it, I guess. I think we're gonna finish our last shoot over here. I gotta do a few more pictures of just me in the car. Yeah, so we're gonna finish it up here. I'm not really quite sure what we're gonna do after, but yeah. Okay, I am insanely cold, and my thing is like, oh no, it's sideways. Started to snow really hard, as you guys saw towards the end. So right now, I don't think we're leaving. Actually, we probably should be leaving because these guys don't have chains. It looks like it's starting to get iced over just a little bit. I probably don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm from the city. I'm going to stay in the car for this shoot. Today has been a very successful day, and I'm so glad that you guys were able to come with me. And I'm super excited that I got to vlog all of this and be able to look back on it. After this, we're definitely washing all of our cars because there is so much mud all over it. It's insane from when I was going around in that one spot, like the one pullover spot earlier. So we gotta go because the road is definitely iced over. Okay, so we're stuck.
Let's try again.
I told the guys yesterday to bring a rope, and they said, no, we don't need it. Look who's stuck. Oh no. Oh, I'm shivering. I never thought this was gonna happen.
I got stuck.
I screwed him over, I guess.
CJ did it.
We have a good little crowd over here watching us. Yeah. Cheer him on, cheer him on.
Hey, Brandon. Come out.
Everyone was, or at least some people that were passing us were being and just like telling us off. And I'm like, dude, really, like, you can't just be like a good Samaritan and at least like help us out. The fact that like they were just like calling us like rude names, I get it. I get like they made like the dumb decision to come up here and do that, but the least they could do is just help us get out of here, and then they could talk all that they want later. So now we gotta help them get out and start going home, because this is only gonna get worse.
That's from the dirt up there.
Alright, we got him this far. Now we have to make it home. That was a disaster, obviously, as you guys saw. Right now, they cleared the roads, thank God. I look like a wreck, and I'm probably super freaking dirty right now because we had to get Brian's car out. And we had to push him out with all this dirt and sand that they put underneath, and it got everywhere. Currently, we are going home, so I gotta focus on driving because there's a lot of curves up here, and I will talk to you guys later. Here we go, we're gonna finish up this vlog, but anyways, we just got back. All of us just ate. I had to change because Brian's car got me all freaking dirty when we went to go pull it out. We're all washing our cars now because it was just trashed with a bunch of mud and dirt, salt, everything. But we're back at the shop. I had to go drop off my car, so now it's nice and clean, except for the fact that it rained on the way here. Yeah, it's been a long day. We got Nick here, and we're just dropping this guy off and heading back, and we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day.
Brian had to go to work.
Oh yeah, and then Brian had to go to work too. He got called in at the last minute. Whose water bottle is that?
Water bottle.
Is that yours? Oh my god. But we're heading out right now, and then I'm probably gonna end this vlog soon. So, gotta say bye to the WRX for now. Meh. For the rest of the night, nothing really crazy happened. We just watched the news, see what's going on. But yeah, that was all for today's vlog. I didn't record this outro yesterday because after we were kind of done, my eye was getting a little irritated. My allergies are starting to act back up, but I went to the doctors to get more of my prescripted eye drops and all that good stuff. So we're good now. My eye is a lot better. Thank you guys so much for coming with me and sticking through this whole entire video. If you guys watched every second without skipping, thank you so much. I know my vlogs are pretty long, and I'm trying to work on that to somehow make it shorter. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at RexandCJ. Other than that, stay safe, be smart, keep washing your hands, and check up on your family. So without further ado, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.